In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create email in Constant Contact. Once you are logged in, start on the left side navigation menu. Find Channels, then select Emails. This is where Constant Contact keeps everything related to email campaigns, including drafts and sent messages, so it is the right place to begin any new email. Next, look for the option to create a new email. Click the button labeled Create or Create an Email, depending on what you see in your account. This starts a new campaign and opens the template library, where you will choose the layout for your message. Now it is time to pick your template. Browse through the library and choose one that matches the type of email you are sending, like a newsletter, announcement, or promotion. When you find a template you like, hover over it and click Select. Choosing a solid template up front saves time later, since the spacing and structure are already in place. After you select the template, you will be taken into the email editor. The editor is drag and drop, which means you build the email by placing content blocks into your layout. On the left-hand toolbar, you will see elements you can add, such as images, text, buttons, and videos. Drag the block you want from the toolbar and drop it where you want it to appear in the email. If you are adding text, keep it easy to scan with short paragraphs. If you are adding a button, use clear action wording so readers know what to do next. For a consistent look, open the Design tab. This is where you can adjust global settings like colors, fonts, and background graphics. Setting these once helps your email match your brand across the entire message without having to style each section separately. If you are using a custom page and want to collect visitor information, you can also drag in a form block. This can be useful for capturing details directly from your email experience. When your design is ready, move on to the sending details. Add the contact list or segment you want to receive the email. Then enter your subject line. Make your subject line clear and specific, since it is the first thing recipients will see. Finally, click Send. Take a moment to confirm you selected the correct audience and subject. Then send your email out. That covers everything you need to know.